Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to control how your song ends using the SUNO mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the SUNO app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the plus icon or create. To start a new song, tap on the custom at the top. Now you will see boxes for your song title, lyrics or style. You can enter your own lyrics or write a simple prompt like pop song about confidence or emotional songs. To make sure your song has a clear ending, you need to include it in your prompt lyrics. This helps to know where and how to finish the song. Once your lyrics and ending details are ready, tap create or generate. Wait a few seconds while the song is created. SUNO will include the ending style you requested. Hit the play to listen to your song. If the ending sounds right, tap save. If not, you can go back and edit the prompt or lyrics, then generate the song. And that's it. That's how you guide the ending of your song from the SUNO mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.